Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick pack attack. Today we're going to be opening a Pokemon Primal Clash booster pack. If you haven't seen any of these videos before, I really recommend going back to the other, I believe, 6 before this one. I try to open packs every other day, but I will be increasing that rate soon to almost every day. So Primal Clash, I've been opening a few packs. I think I got a couple more. Kind of hit and miss. Got a code card. But hopefully, let's see what we can get out of this pack today. And before we get into this, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we got Bibaro. So we got the Groudon Spirit Link. We got the Masquerain. Barboach. Sagoon. Trico. Vulpix. Rhyhorn. Verse Hollow Matrix. And Excadrill. I can't win them all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone.